Robinson, apparently tired, punched with a fairly well and rocked Jake LaMotta right to the heel.
Come on, Ray.
These are clean whistling shots. How he can survive them, nobody knows. No man can endure this pummeling. The fight is stopped on the signal to Frankie Sikora. Row after row after row from the ring, the crowd is standing and cheering as he